amberjack fishing.
We got a hardy swim. We're doing the best we can. The idea here is to catch bait, and move on. We got some barracudas in the area. We will migrate when we make bait.
And then we're going after amberjack and...
Yeah, our goal today is amberjack the first 2 hours. Try to run to Salvador Ridge, got some beeliners. Might troll for a little bit of the way there, so we get lucky for a king or a wahoo and 5 minutes of blue water. Blue water went to about 65 miles out. Hardy swim makes it a little hard to fish, guys. So it's part of the game of Gulf of Mexico.
What,
work hard, play hard.
How far are we right now?
We're about 89 miles offshore right now.
89.
That's from the end of the jetty.
No. Is it there? I don't see no color. You keep coming. We'll check the bait. Oh, look, you got shark. Look at that. Barracuda or shark. Look, all of it. That's what a nice guy. Almost the first fish on the boat, right? Like half a fish. Shark. The big one. Oh, look at the barracuda chasing it. Get it on this one. You see that barracuda after him? There he goes. That's a big one. Yeah, that's a big cuda. There it is. Runner, blue runner. Yep. Yeah, that's a good bait. That's what we want. We want that bait. Is it? Is that your first AJ?
First AJ.
How'd that feel?
Felt good.
How's your arms feel?
Right's a little sore.
Now you got a shotgun beer.
How'd that feel?
It was rough. It feels great though.
He can't even talk.
Good job, guys.